Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create another Gmail on your phone. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. It's very simple. First thing you need to do is you have to go to your Gmail account. After that, tap on your icon button from the top right corner. Then you scroll down to the bottom until you found add another account here. Tap on it, add another account. Now tap on Google from the first place. Then it will check your info. Then you have to use your pattern. Okay, then you have to tap on create account from the middle portion. Then you can create it for business or create it for myself. So you have to put your first name and last name. Okay, then tap on next. Then you have to put your basic information like birthday and gender. Then you have to select your Gmail address. Then you have to put your password. Then you have to select your phone number. Then you scroll down to the bottom and tap on I agree. Now it's processing. That's it. Your Gmail account has been created. So this is how easily you can create your Gmail account. You can see this is the last Gmail which I have created right now. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.